Morning student. Today I am going to teach chapter 2 fraction. In class 6 you have already studied about fraction, addition and subtraction of fraction, etc. We shall revive this concept in this chapter and take up multiplication and division of fraction. Now first, fraction. The number of the form a by b where a and b are natural number. Natural number, that means counting number starting from 1 to infinite. Here example given 3 by 5, 3 by 5 a fraction. Here 3 is the numerator and 5 is denominator. Various type of fraction. First, decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the numbers 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a decimal fraction. Example 3 by 10, 27 by 100, 31 by 1000, etc. Second one, vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a vulgar fraction. 2 by 9, 4 by 13, etc. Third one, proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator is called a proper fraction. Example 3 by 7, 5 by 11, etc. Fourth one, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. Example given 11 by 7, 15 by 4, 21 by 21, etc. Next one, mixed fraction. A number which can be expressed as the sum of natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Here example 1 3 by 4. 1 is natural number and 3 by 4 is proper fraction. Now next one is equivalent fraction. That means a given fraction and the fraction obtained by the multiplying or divide its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent fraction. 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 9 by 12, 12 by 60. Here 3 by 4, same number you multiply 2. 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 2, 8. Then 6 into 3, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 4, 16. Like this is equivalent fraction. Like fraction. Fraction having the same denominator but different numerator are called like fraction. Now see an example 5 by 14, 9 by 14, 11 by 14. Here numerator is different but denominator is same. It's called the like fraction. Next one, unlike fraction. Fraction having different in a denominator are called unlike fraction. 2 by 5, 5 by 7, 9 by 13, etc. Here numerator and denominator both are different. Now next one, method of changing unlike fraction to like fraction. Here example are given 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 11 by 12. You change in like fraction. So first you find the LCM of denominator. Here denominator is 6, 9 and 12. Okay, here 5 is written wrong. 6, 9 and 12. LCM is 36. First 5 by 6 fraction. You change in like fraction. That means you multiply with 6 numerator and denominator both. 5 into 6 30, 6 into 6 36. 7 by 9 you multiply with 4, 7 into 4, 9 into 4, 28 by 36. And next one 11 by 12. Now you multiply 11 into 3 or 12 into 3, that means 33 by 36. 30 by 36, 28 by 36, 33 by 36, change in like fraction. Next one, irreducible fraction. That means which fraction is given? You change in lowest term. Lowest term, that means SCF of numerator and denominator is 1. See here 9 by 12 fraction is given. First you cancel this fraction. Cancel with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Then after 3 by 4 is left. 3 by 4. Now find the SCF of 3 and 4 is 1. That means this fraction is irreducible or lowest term. Now next one, comparing fraction. If two fractions are given or you compare which fraction is greater or smaller. So first you do cross multiply like this way here 3 by 5, 5 by 8. First you multiply 3 into 8 and 5 into 5. 3 into 8, 24. 5 into 5, 25. Here 25 is greatest. That means 3 by 5 less than 5 by 8. That means 5 by 8 fraction is greater than 3 by 5. Now next topic is addition and subtraction of fraction. Here also same, if two fractions are given 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8 you add, or same you subtract, you simplify in this step fraction. So method is same. First you find the LCM of denominator. Here LCM of denominator 6 and 8, LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Then after change in like fraction. 5 by 6 you change in like fraction, 20 by 24, 7 by 8, 21 by 24. Then after you plus 20 by 24 plus 21 by 24, then 20 plus 21 by 24, then 41 by 24. Now you change in mixed fraction. 41 divided 24, 117 by 24 is the answer. Now next one, multiplication of a fraction. Product of fraction equal to product of their numerators upon product of their denominators. Example, 5 by 8 and into 3 by 4. First you check if 5 by 8 or 3 by 4, if cancel, that means numerator or denominator if cancel, now you cancel, otherwise you multiply. Here 5 by 8 and 3 by 4 is not cancelling, now you multiply. 5 into 3 15, 8 into 4 32, that means 15 by 32 your answer. Next example, 2 by 3 of an year. 2 by 3 of, that means multiply sign, you put the multiply sign, and an year, that means 1 year you convert the month. 1 year equal to 12 months, that means in the place of 1 year you write 12 months. Then after you cancel, 3 and 12 is cancelled, 3 4s are 12, 4 times, then you multiply 4 into 2, 8 months. Like this question you do. Before coming to division of fraction, we will learn about reciprocal of a fraction. Two fractions are said to be the reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Example, 4 by 9 and 9 by 4 are the reciprocal of each other. Now 4 by 9 into 9 by 4 equal to 1. Now next one, division of a fraction. To divide a fraction by another fraction, the first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second. For example, 4 by 9 divided 3 by 15. 4 by 9 you write as it is, then after divide sign you change in multiply, and 3 by 15 you write the reciprocal of 3 by 15, that means 15 by 3. Then after you check if cancel, now you cancel here, 3 and 15 are cancelled, 3 5s are 15, then after multiply 20 by 9. I hope you understood the chapter. Try to solve all the exercise. Also, I have given some question as homework. Exercise 2A, question number 1, 5, 6, 7. Here all parts you do. Exercise 2B, question number 1, 2, 3. All parts you do. Exercise 2C, question number 2 and 3. All parts you do. Make sure you do all of them. Thank you.